What's happening, YouTube? This your boy Trailer Trill with Gardening and Prepping Made Easy. We went in the ground. Got your tomatoes, your tomatoes. Went in the ground with them babies. I didn't get y'all for this project, but I will be getting y'all for the back project. Stay tuned for more videos. We'll keep you updated. I got temporarily a line going for my trailers. Some bamboo sticks. But you got your eggplants, peppers, and tomato. Gonna be a colorful section. Very colorful. Good talking to y'all today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video.